Uche Mefor, the former deputy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is back in Biafra struggle. But this time around, they come with another different style. No be small thing, no. He said that if the people who are in forefront do this, Biafra will come. Let's go and find out how and what he said. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing, no. As e dey hot, na so we dey bring and dey come. Abeg may you try give this channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you go to get our update back to back as e dey hot. Let's quickly jump into the matter what we get for hand today. They say the former deputy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey be Uche Mefor don come outside, come learn down the things wey Biafras need to do. And the contour say e better make Biafra dey fight for only Igbo nation. Say Igbo nation is the way out because other people no want to fight for this struggle. And na only Igbo people now dey die put for this Biafra. Say it's better say make Igbo people they talk of Igbo nation. No be small thing, no. I will go play the video. May you watch everything we talk for this video from beginning to end. The video long, but we will go watch am.
Campaign it down. Nobody listens to it. Muama Abuze, part of Anacho Biafra, na ekwe Parisi, na ekwe Parisi, arrogance and the rest of it. Enecho onye ga-ekwu. So that is it. Biafra, for Biafra to be restored, Biafra will need to meet several criteria and demonstrate specific circumstances to assert its right to self-determination or remedial secession from Nigeria. And this must be based on international principles. In addition to meeting the criteria for Montevideo Declaration, which is for any state, any group of people to meet the criteria for statehood, anokata na akpọ unu a country, anokata akpọ unu obodo, imagokwulo onwe independent nation. You must have to meet certain criteria. Oboro out of blues called Aputa. You must have defined territory. Agenwe ebe agasi nunu na azo oburu nke unu. Amana azo ebe anwa azo, for instance. Agenwe concentration. Ebu nwe concentration oya abo achoba unu. Ndubu na afu unu. You must have settled population. Agenwe ndi bi ebe anwa. Enwe ndo ya wapụtasị na ndị a bụ ndị dị etu a, ndị a bụ ndị dị etu a. For instance, apụtasị na ndị Igbo bi ebe a, ndị Ijo bi ebe a, ebe a bụ anifa, ebe a bụ ebe ha nwe. Iyotago. So, you must have capacity to enter into international relations with other countries. Meaning, you well elected representatives. And was on a government. Gejene ekwuchiteru na oya abụ ndị mba ụwa chọọ ekwu okwu achọba ndị ahụ. Ọ bụrụ ndị na-eme woto ọ bụrụ ndị na-eme that are on brigandage, killing their fellow brothers and sisters. You are out of the periphery. You are at best terrorists and criminals. That is what the international community will be looking at you for. Will be regarding people as. That is why it is very important that our people embrace the democratic process. You must have effective government. There must be a government in place. So, ime otu megodum otu ni ne mani ihe ga na regard unu bụ a ga na-regard unu as protest group. Unu nwere ike mechiche ezi niile o, mechie afịa niile o, mmadụ agha ga n'ezi, agha anụrụ unu ife. But at the end of the day, protest group ka unu bụ, maka unu anọrọ na government. And small minority of people were elected, ndị Abuja tinye na bai ga na-take decision n'isi unu. And what ihe unu ga-eme? Ọkarịkwa emecha, the worst thing you need, they are killing us. Water. Ndị ala. Ama akọ eri. So, ọ bụrụ na ndị bai ma ife, ihe a unu na-ezuzu. Since I ji wee kwube, let us take over political control in Biafra land, at least Igbo land. It's very easy. Ebe Biafra agitators can come out and tell their own people, stay at home for a particular thing. They can as well use sit at home to get what they want in Biafra land. For instance, they can warn politicians in Biafra land, do not come out and vie for any political office if you are not for the good of our people. When you have game, Obo na haju, use those civil disobedience, bring them to a halt. Mana oburu nke ije bule egbe gbaghaliwa na agagharị na egbusisi ụmụnne unu. I believe in self-defense. Legitimate self-defense. If you have weapon, inwe egbe na mma, debie iyeji, debie welie chere onwe gị. Mana oburu ijie na-akpagharị na-achọ ụmụnne unu ga-ebe isi, na-achọ ndị unu ga-ekidnap. Maka agwa unu na-akpa arụ agwa eji enweta obodo ọbụla a na-achọ achọ. Because ndị be anyị kwesịrị demonstrate that they have the capacity to govern themselves. Mana nke a ihe anyị na-afụ ndị oshi na ndị ama, onye ọbụla obulu egbe na-agagharị, buru mma na-agagharị, na-atụkpodo ndị ọzọ asị na etu a ka unu esi wee nweta nwere ọnwụnwa a na-achọ. So when it comes to guidelines, when it comes to getting the framework right, I am not God, I'm not all-knowing, but I can hold my own. Ihe na-eme anyị bụ na ya nara achọ iso n'usoro. There is no way you can get independence or freedom without political process, whether you like it or not. Because self-determination is about politics itself. You need to get people in power to take decisions. So, ịgbachasịa ị ga-anachi ya takwaazụ. Isigodu na ọka ije n'ụwa ọgụ n'ụba agha, ịnụsigodo agha, you must have people in power that will be speaking on your behalf. You can't talk to the members of the international community as a terrorist, as a lawbreaker, or as a perpetrator of injustice or genocide or crime against humanity against your people. You must be dreaming if you are doing all this. That is why we are calling on all these people. Na ha akọgheri woto nkewa. Mandi delegitimize the Nigerian government in Biafra land. All nature need delegitimize the Nigerian government. Go military target to military target. But before you do it, you must have to get your framework right. Where are you? Where is your territory? Because na ndị ijosi ga-abatakwa na be ha, ndị ibibia asị ga-abatakwa na be ha, ndị efik asị ga-abatakwa na be ha. Kedụzi Biafra ị na-azọ? That is why you have to pause for a while and get your framework right. Because a disputed territory cannot gain independence. If you don't want to know it today. So, the basic this thing is that if you want independence or if you want external self-determination, you must qualify as a state. You must have the ingredients of state. You must have your economy, your administration, human rights record, governmental structures must be in place. Ajụjụ na-ajụ Biafra agitators today, where are we? Which way Biafra? Ọchịchị anyị anọrọ na territory, we cannot define it. The government, we cannot. No, we just name and no, but that is why when I talk, people are saying, you against Biafra. You against which Biafra? Ignorant, hallucinating minds will be telling me that I'm against Biafra. You are against us. Who are you to start with? Who are you? Obuna nu Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme liar. No because I have said this in several times. I've discussed with Nnamdi. I've told him, both officially and unofficially. I even penned this thing down. Uche, what do you want? And then when patients say to okay, majority, the ignorant majority, we always carry the day. They are not Ganaga. MSC, I go and so you are part of them and all that. That's fine. But it is not as you're saying it. IPOB, when IPOB was IPOB, had got to a level where they would have politically taken over Biafra land. When I mean Biafra land this time around, I'm talking about Igbo land. And even as it is, if not that they have gone out to spill the blood of their fellow Biafrans, it is still possible. So until you people come back to Igbo Biafra self-determination, which is the reason why we're saying Igbo Biafra is for people to understand which part of Biafra are going for this self-determination. Because otherwise, it is not only the Igbos that are Biafrans. Ijo Biafrans, Efik Biafrans, Anam Biafrans, Efik, and the rest of them. Oye na-asị onye nzuzu, shut up. Ogwa bụ na onye nzuzu. Because you cannot impeach what I'm saying. At the end of the day, all of you must come back, especially those from the southeast, all those from Igbo part of Biafra land, southeast part. You must come back to this, unless it is not freedom or rather self-determination that you are looking for. First of all, the Igbo ga-achọ negotiate with the Nigerian state about their future. If the Nigerian state can rectify their anomalies, including the obnoxious 5 states given to the Igbos, the Southeast, including historical, monumental injustice, the killings, the maimings of Igbo, Biafra, men and women, the monumental human rights abuses, and pay reparation, and then give the Igbos greater autonomy. It could be regional arrangement, it could be confederal. Then the only option left for the Igbos is to seek their future outside Nigeria. But this is a process. So let me go back. There are so many things to talk about here. But on Ekugum about the fact that there are things that Biafra, if Biafra as an entity, as a people, if they qualify as a people, must seek for self-determination or remedial secession from Nigeria, they must prove, they will need to demonstrate that its people, the people of Biafra, are denied meaningful access to participate in government or pursue their political, economic, social, and cultural development in Nigeria. If you want to go out of Nigeria, you must have to prove this thing. Now, the question I want to ask now, who are the people of Biafra that will prove this thing now? Make una tell me the people of Biafra we are talking about that will prove to the members of the international community that they are being oppressed. Yeah? They should be able to prove and demonstrate evidence of consistent and flagrant human rights violations, massive underrepresentation in government, or the absence of representation in an undemocratic, discriminatory manner. Ngwa, ndị na-asị na Uche Mefor mere nke a ma ọzọ, ajụjụ na-ajụ unu bụ ihe a na-ekwu ebe a bụ na for you to convince members of the international community that you are justified in separating yourself from Nigeria or seeking an autonomy in Nigeria, you must have to prove that Nigeria has done something wrong to our people. And then in this case, we are talking about Biafra. Wow. Who are these people of Biafra? Because let me say this. Just a minute. Unless I'm doing something, I don't come in here. So who are the people of Biafra to prove oppression, underrepresentation, human rights violations? Who are these people that will prove it? Our people of Biafra. And when we mean people of Biafra, we mean people of the old Eastern region. Biko kọwalụ nọ ebe a na-emegbu ndị Igbo emegbu, anara emegbu ndị Ijo, anara emegbu ndị Ibibio, anara emegbu ndị Efik. Biko gwazianụ the people of Biafra that are being oppressed. Yet, ndị a unu na ha si wee bụrụ Biafra, onye pụta ọ na ọkwa ntị gbamgbam na-atachi ngọm a na-egbusisi ụmụ Igbo. Do you see where the continued ideology and mentality of waiting for every part of Biafra to come on board, where they are not willing, is dangerous and will lead you to your death? Because all of you yet ndobai no na south isi. So for you to exit from Nigeria, you have to prove that nana emebu ge emebu. Bikonu, since eji na-eme ihe Biafra, kedu na ndị a na-egbu, at least this present dispensation of Biafra, kedu na ndị a na-egbu? Ọbara a na-akwafu n'ala Igbo, akwafulie n'ala Ijo, akwafulie na Igwe Ọcha, akwafulie na Efik speaking area, akwafulie na Anan speaking area. Do you see why it is difficult to restore Biafra of 1967 to 1970? Because ndị ọzọ nọ na mma, unu nwa bụ ndị Igbo bụ ndị a na-emegbu emegbu. Kedụzi ka ihe esi wee prove na a na-emegbu ndị Biafra emegbu? ifugo na ndị a ha ma ihe ha na-eme. Achọrọ ka ụmụ Igbo na-anwụsịsị ihe ata ya na-eti maka Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know, you don't hear them from the mouth of deputy of Nnamdi Kanu, will be Uche Mefor. You don't talk about say na this one they go do, maybe Biafra come. My people, I beg, may you lay your comment down and let us know what you think, and also share the videos so that other people go see and hear this thing where this man talk. You know, say sometimes person go talk, no be say we go start the insult and most look into the matter when he talk, whether it get sense or you not get sense. If we get sense, may you let us know. If you the thing way they talk that of point, may you still let us know. Your opinion is welcomed. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update. Stay tuned and share the video. Follow this page, very important, as we will here they bring your Wenge news.